Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you another linear piece that I have recently added to my collection. Such a beautiful piece, you guys. I cannot wait to share with you. It's so beautiful. So excited. Let's see what it is. You open the box and as usual you see these beautiful words there, linear, mature, fine, favorites. It's always beautiful. I love linear packaging. And you know, this is how the box comes. I'll be telling you a little more about linear, but before that, let's see what we have here because it makes us impatient. You know, I'm really waiting to see. So this is the card. There are some things written here. Beautiful. Always you get this kind of pouch, which I just love so much. And this actually jewelry is here. Gorgeous. So we will be unboxing this. Before that, I want to let you know, guys, Linjer is a jewelry brand. If you don't know, so let's tell you a little bit about it. They are always very conscious about women fashion, and they provide luxurious fashion for women, all women in the world. So they keep their prices really affordable because they have no middleman. You can directly purchase from them. There is no middleman. This is how they, you know, keep their cost in a very affordable level, so everyone can enjoy luxury pieces without breaking their bank, which is absolutely amazing. And the name Linjer comes from Norwegian word which means line, and I think it totally complements the pieces that we see here. They're very, you know, delicately made. They're sustainable. They're just absolutely my favorite tiny pieces. Let's see this now. So okay, always when you buy their high jewelry, you get this beautiful dark or navy blue pouch in velvety pouch in which this jewelry comes in, and it is also a great way to gift somebody. You don't have to worry about a beautiful packaging. It comes in a way that every girl will fall in love. And the piece I have collected this time, you don't see it from here much. I'll open it right now. This is the piece. Do you see? It's just so stunning. This is a pearl paste, and it is in a 14K gold necklace. 14K gold necklace and a little pearl there. What a beauty, you guys. I'm just going to wear it and show you. So before I'm wearing it, I just want to tell you guys this piece. This has been on my wish list for such a long time, and thank you, Linjer, for partnering up in this video and giving me the chance to enjoy this beautiful piece. Also, just want to show you, they have, you see, they have 3 different hooks where you can wear this chain or necklace so that you can just shorten the length or you know, make it longer according to your need. This is how my little pearl necklace looks on me. I am in love. And you see this necklace is totally matching with my pearl buttons from this cardigan, and this cardigan is from Cezanne. You have seen another video me wearing this cardigan, and you know, this is such a beautiful piece from Cezanne, and I think it's such a good piece for fall season. It's a new color palette for me for fall, but I think it totally goes really nicely, and this pearl actually matches so beautifully with the buttons. And look at that, just in absolutely love with this pearl necklace. I think it's so beautiful for any season or any occasion. And also see how beautifully the chain is blinging as such a beautiful shine and sparkle. It's just so, you know, delicate, but the sparkles are beautiful. And this little pearl is in such a size that you can wear it anytime, anywhere. It's not overwhelming, but very pretty. I feel like you can wear this little pearl necklace for any occasion. Like if you're going to, you know, everyday work, it is so beautiful. You never need to take it off. Or if you're wearing it for special occasion, you can dress it up or down. It's so easy to do that. Much careful about women empowerment. That is their main goal, and I absolutely support that. And also, if you go to the website, you can find the jewelry prices that are like really affordable, and if you compare to the market price, they are so affordable. And I love the fact that how beautifully and easily you can actually collect your high-end jewelry without breaking your bank. And actually Linjer is so focused on woman empowerment, which is one of the reasons that I absolutely love and support the brand. I would say that their gold vermeil collections are also very beautiful. In my jewelry collection, I also have some gold vermeil pieces, and I have been wearing them for so long. One example is this little ring right here, my absolute favorite ring. I think if you have been watching my YouTube videos and Instagram videos, you have been seeing me wearing this ring all the time. I just show you closely. So this is how the ring looks like. It's a blue topaz and it's so beautiful in gold vermeil. And do you see that there is no discoloration, because their gold vermeil pieces are made in a way that is 5 times more thicker than normal other jewelry brands. They're very thick and they're very strong, so they just don't discolor. And I have been wearing this, like I wear this all the time. I shower with it. Probably I should take more care of it, but I just shower with it. I wash my dishes. This is always all the time in contact with water. It has been many months, I think probably a year. I forgot when I got it, but it still looks the same and it matches with every outfit. I cannot tell you guys how much compliment I got from the ring, like uncountable times. People asked me about this ring, even random people just asked me about the ring, and really, this is so beautiful. I'm thinking to collect 1 or 2 other colors, especially the amethyst in this design. I really want. This is so beautiful, such a favorite ring of mine. So anyways, the gold vermeil pieces are absolutely gorgeous, and they have like same designs in gold vermeil and 14K gold, so that you can actually pick any according to your budget without compromising your style or design. The pieces are hypoallergenic and nickel free, so you can safely use them without worrying. And also these are the forever pieces in 14K gold. And last couple of months I have been, in every occasion I have been collecting their gold pieces, actually, because I think I am in an age right now where I more prefer collecting solid gold pieces. Golds are also recyclable, and these are forever pieces. I can pass it to my daughter, which is absolutely amazing. So yeah, these are now my favorite pieces I'm collecting. I have shown you my diamond pieces from Linjer in previous videos, so you'll be seeing that as well. I will link down below also my Linjer videos that I made in the past, so you can easily follow them. And I have a coupon code for you guys, so you can use my coupon code and get your discount, which is amazing. These prices are already affordable, and adding some discount on the top is just an extra bonus. Our brand also offers silver, sterling silver, and they have beautiful charms that you can collect for your special occasions or gift somebody. And another great option, black is my favorite color, and mostly my most outfit has some kind of touch of black. And this is my favorite silk black shirt, which I wear a lot, so I went to check how it looks with the pearl necklace, and I think this just such a perfectly complementing each other. Yeah, I totally feel like black and pearl goes beautifully with each other, so I think this is going to be my everyday piece. One great thing about Linjer pieces that they shine so bright, they sparkle so nicely. I don't like at all any chunky jewelry pieces that are big and you see them all the time. I just want something that will be against my skin and just sparkle here and there, sometimes, not all the time. And Linjer pieces are just like that. And anytime I wear Linjer pieces, I have seen people loving it so much, which I also love. I love compliments. And these are those kind of pieces that people cannot stop complimenting. Anyways, you guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video today. Let me know if you're grabbing the same necklace as me or any other Linjer pieces that you love or in your wish list. You can use my coupon code and get them for a really good price. So comment down below which is your favorite Linjer piece, and also don't forget to check my previous videos where I have showcased some beautiful diamond pieces. If you're into diamond, just go ahead and check those videos as well. So I'm not going to extend this video here anymore. I'm ending this video here today, and I hope you really have a fantastic week, and I'll be seeing you next time on my next video next week. Bye.